Alright, so here's the dash. Getting ready to put it back in the car. Put the gauges in it. Glove box area. I'm not real thrilled about this right here. I hope the glove box don't catch it. Not that I use it anyway, because my Holly's usually mounted right behind it. But if I ever did want to use it, you know. We're gonna get this thing put in the car. I got the dash slid back in the car. I got the steering wheel pulled back up. If you're planning on taking the dash out of one of these, you can see that screw right there. There's 3 of those up there. Down here, you can see it. There is 2 bolts with 1/2-inch heads. All your wiring connections and that stuff. I know there's a glare on it, but you can see, I mean, there's not even any of the old dash showing anywhere. That looks a million times better than it did. And with the door panels dyed black, man, this whole car is going to be way too nice. I don't know if I'll be able to drive it or not. All right, there you go. Dash is in. It's all bolted in. I got a little bit of wiring to do on the gauges, but other than that, it looks good. I'm happy with it. I think I got that dash on sale for $189 or something on Amazon with free shipping. It's a little time consuming, but it's not hard to do, and it's worth every penny.